Guys, so during the summer, don't you ever want something cold, fruity, and refreshing to drink? If you said yes, well, you came to the right presentation. Well, in Tonga, there is a drink called OTAI, which is very cold, fruity, and refreshing to drink during the summer. So today, I'll be teaching you how to make Tonga's favorite fruit drink called OTAI. Most of you might ask, what is OTAI? It's a Tongan fruit drink that was originated from Tonga. It's usually made during the summertime, but you can make it whenever you want, mainly during the summertime because it's cold and refreshing. But there are two types of flavors, which is mango and watermelon OTAI. In the next few slides, I'll be explaining to you in 3 steps how to make a watermelon OTAI. Step 1. You have to gather all the ingredients tools that you use, which consist of watermelon, half and half, milk, sugar, bottle of water, pineapple, shredded coconut, a grater, a spoon, and a big jar. A grater you'll use to shred your watermelon and pineapple, unless you want to buy a pineapple that's already crushed or shredded for you, depending on you. And then a spoon, so you can use to measure how many scoops you want to put in, how many scoops of sugar you want to put into the jar. Step 2. You have to shred the watermelon and the pineapple with the grater. If you don't want to get a shredded pineapple or buy a pineapple that's already shredded. Afterwards, you put all the fruits into the big jar, and then you take the sugar, water, and half shredded coconut, and the shredded coconut, and have it ready to be poured into the big jar. Some might have coconut in it, some might not. It depends on how you're feeling, if you want coconut in it or if you don't. But I prefer coconut because it gives a little sweetness into it. Oh, and if you didn't know what a grater was, a picture shows here of someone is grating a carrot. And step 3. Time to mix and stir. Now that everything is shredded and all in one big jar, you are going to mix and stir all your ingredients. But when adding in your sugar, you will stir enough to sweeten the taste. Pour 1 big jar of water bottle and 1 big jar of half and half milk. Now that all of the ingredients are into one jar, now you can mix and stir. Once you are done with mixing and stirring your OTAI drink, you can then serve in a tall glass with ice cubes. But some might put ice cubes to make it a little colder or not. It all depends on you and how you feel, if you want something very cold or very room temperature. But remember, there are only 3 steps to making watermelon OTAI. 1. Gather all your ingredients and tools you'll need to use. And 2. Need to shred all your fruits and then put the ingredients into one big jar. And 3. Mix and stir ingredients together. After that, you can serve. To get more information about how to make OTAI, you can go to the CocoNet webpage, and they'll help you step by step on how to make this drink. I mean, everyone deserves to have a nice cold and fruity drink in the summertime, don't you think? Well, I hope you try and make OTAI and like it as much as I do, because trust me, it's delicious. But thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed.